66 and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you.
Hello friends, and welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today's video, I'm on week 2 of the Clean Your Way to Calm challenge created by my friend Jenny from Cleaning Therapy. This week, I will be deep cleaning and decluttering my closets. I will be starting in my youngest son's room, and I am very excited about this, and I hope you all are too. Let me know in the comments below if you all have joined the challenge as well, or if not, and if you're new, I'll make sure to link Jenny's info below so you all can come join us. I hope you enjoy today's video.
Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo high.
Guys, it felt so good to get everything out and to deep clean the space inside. I had a lot of things that I had just thrown in there and I had totally forgotten about. Jensen's room is not completely finished, and a lot of those items, like the train table, I'm planning to move those into our bonus room upstairs. I have to apologize to you guys on this clip because I did not realize that my filming light made it into the actual footage, but it was such a large portion, I didn't want to delete it. I definitely have some things to work on when it comes to filming for sure. Here, I'm just kind of making different piles, seeing what kind of still fits him, and just going through the clothes. The things that go into the cardboard box are actually going to the Goodwill, and then the other items on the side, I actually sell those on an app called Mercari, and I absolutely love that app. I purchase a lot of clothes on there, and I also like to sell the clothes, and it just is a really neat app if you ever are interested in doing that. So I highly recommend checking that out. But I'm going to let you guys get back to the video and watch me sort through the rest of these clothes.
Got bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but stranger now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denying I'm cheap.
I wanted to pop back on here and introduce myself to you all. My name is Kristen, and I'm a wife, a stay-at-home mom to 3 beautiful boys, and I started YouTube to help manage my health anxiety. And my hope was to reach others out there like myself or anyone that feels lonely, because as a stay-at-home mom, I definitely have felt those feelings. I want you to feel like you have a friend when you come to my channel, and I also hope you feel comfortable leaving me comments if you ever need my support. I appreciate each and every one of you. I also want to thank all of my subscribers. I cannot believe that I've almost reached 500 subscribers, and I feel very, very blessed. I will be doing a giveaway when I do reach 500, so please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell because I don't want anyone to miss the chance to win the giveaway. I love you guys.
I wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Time to figure out what this could be. I dreamt of a life in a small town that wasn't enough for you somehow. I just wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Weeks and months and years they passed, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause I'm growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart, that's what my mama said. I wish I could freeze this moment.
My plan for the organizer that I'm kind of putting back together now is to eventually make it a space to store more of Jensen's toys as he gets older and starts to play in his room. Right now, we pretty much have all of his toys in our main living space just because I like to keep an eye on him while he's playing. But I bought this organizer at Walmart. It was very inexpensive, and it has helped so much with storage and just making things look just a little more organized and just clean. Now I'm just kind of going through all of these stuffed animals that I had hanging over the door. That little mesh door hanger, I bought those on Amazon, but I wasn't very happy with them. That one actually has a rip that you can't see on camera, so I'm actually just throwing that in the trash. But right now I'm just trying to go through all of these little stuffed animals and just putting away the sentimental ones that he no longer really plays with and that he had like when he was more of a baby. So I just like to kind of keep those things up there, and eventually I want to do some sort of an organization and put things up in our attic. But the after results I'm so happy with, and I just am very excited that I did this closet clean out. That pile right there is going to Goodwill, and then that mesh bag, like I said, you can't see the hole in it, but that is going in the trash. And then the other items I'm going to sell on Mercari. So I'm going to finish up and just kind of clean the doors and get those all nice and shiny.
Nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause I'm growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart, that's what my mama said. That's what my mama said.
All right, guys, that about wraps up today's video. I wanted to give the whole room a quick vacuum. I'm very excited with the results. I hope that you guys will join Jenny on her Clean Your Way to Calm challenge. I will leave her information in the description box below. I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. I will be doing my other son's closet, which is a little bit more work than Jensen's closet was, so stay tuned for that. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Much love. Bye.
Places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times.